Hey everyone, I'm here to break down a topic that could save you thousands, maybe even tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Credit cards. Now, I know what you're thinking. Credit cards? Aren't those dangerous? The truth is, they can be, but only if you don't know how to use them right. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you how using credit cards responsibly can actually make you wealthier, not bury you in debt. From earning rewards to building credit, the benefits are endless if you know the right strategies. Let's be real. We've all heard those horror stories about credit card debt spiraling out of control. You know, the kind where someone ends up drowning in interest payments, their credit score in the dumpster. It's enough to make anyone swear off credit cards for life. But here's the thing. Blaming credit cards for debt is like blaming a fork for making you gain weight. It's not the tool, it's how you use it. With the right approach, credit cards can be your best financial friend. Think of a credit card like a sword. In the wrong hands, it can be dangerous. But in the hands of a skilled warrior, it becomes a powerful tool for protection and even prosperity. Credit cards, when used responsibly, offer a ton of benefits that cash and debit cards just can't match. We're talking building your credit score, earning free money through rewards, and even getting extra protection on your purchases. Plus, you can use points for travel and enjoy fraud protection that cash simply can't provide. Mastering the credit card game. All right, let's break down exactly how to wield this powerful financial tool to your advantage. Every time you use your credit card and pay it off on time, you're showing lenders you're responsible with money. This builds your credit score, which is like a golden ticket to lower interest rates on loans, mortgages, even car insurance. We're talking potentially saving tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Plus, don't forget about the rewards and cashback you can earn, making every purchase work for you. Imagine traveling the world or getting cash back, just for using your card wisely. Unlocking free money and perks. Let's dive deep into the world of credit card rewards and how you can make the most out of them. Whether it's cashback, travel miles, or points, there's a treasure trove of benefits waiting for you. Most credit cards offer cashback, travel miles, or points for every dollar you spend. These rewards can add up quickly, turning your everyday purchases into valuable perks. Imagine earning money back or accumulating points just by doing your regular shopping. It's like getting a mini paycheck just for buying the things you'd normally buy anyway. Think about it. Every time you swipe your card, you're essentially earning a small percentage back. Over time, this can lead to significant savings or rewards. Let's say you spend $1,000 a month on groceries, gas, and eating out. These are expenses you would incur regardless. So why not get rewarded for them? By using a credit card that offers rewards, you're making your money work harder for you. With a 2% cashback card, that's $240 back in your pocket every year. That's free money, people, and that's just the beginning. Some cards offer even higher cashback rates for specific categories like groceries or dining out. And don't even get me started on the travel perks. If you're a frequent traveler, credit card rewards can be a game changer. From free flights to complimentary hotel stays, the possibilities are endless. Imagine flying first class, staying in luxury hotels, all for free, just by using your credit card strategically. By accumulating travel miles and points, you can unlock experiences that might otherwise be out of reach. It's all about being smart with your spending and choosing the right card for your lifestyle. But how do you choose the right card? It starts with understanding your spending habits and what rewards matter most to you. Do you value cashback more, or are travel perks your priority? Research and compare different credit card offers to find the one that aligns with your goals. Also, pay attention to the terms and conditions. Some cards come with annual fees, but the rewards might outweigh the cost. Others might have introductory offers that can give you a significant boost in points or cashback. Don't hesitate to call customer service if you have questions. Remember, the key to maximizing credit card rewards is responsible usage. Always pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Keep track of your spending and make sure you're not overspending just to earn rewards. The goal is to benefit from the perks without falling into debt. So start unlocking those free money and perks today. With the right strategy, your credit card can be more than just a payment tool. It can be a gateway to amazing rewards and experiences. Happy earning! Safety first credit cards versus the world. Now let's talk security. Credit cards offer way better fraud protection than debit cards. If your debit card gets stolen, that money is gone from your account instantly. But with a credit card, you're not liable for unauthorized charges. Plus, many cards come with extended warranties, price protection, and even travel insurance. It's like having a financial safety net, giving you peace of mind with every purchase. And don't forget the rewards and cashback that can save you money. Level up your finances, the credit card advantage. So there you have it, the real deal on credit cards. Credit cards often get a bad rap, but when used wisely, they can be a game changer for your financial health. They offer a range of benefits that can help you not only manage your money better, but also make the most out of your spending. From earning rewards to building your credit score, the advantages are numerous. Credit cards are not the enemy. They're a powerful tool that can help you build wealth. When used responsibly, they can help you track your expenses, earn rewards, and even provide a safety net in emergencies. It's like getting paid to spend money. Plus, many credit cards offer purchase protection and extended warranties, giving you peace of mind when buying big-ticket items. Just remember the golden rule: pay your balance in full every single month. This is crucial to avoid interest charges and keep your finances in check. Carrying a balance from month to month can lead to high-interest debt, which can quickly spiral out of control. By paying off your balance in full, you not only avoid these charges, but also improve your credit score. A good credit score can open doors to better loan rates, rental agreements, and even job opportunities. Use budgeting tools and apps to monitor your expenses and set reminders for payment due dates. This way, you can ensure that you're always on top of your financial game. The goal is to use your credit card as a tool to enhance your financial well-being, not as a crutch that leads to debt. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Your support helps us create more content that empowers you to take control of your finances. We appreciate every like and comment. It motivates us to keep providing valuable information that can make a real difference in your financial journey. And subscribe for more financial wisdom. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and insights on how to manage your money better. We're here to help you navigate the world of personal finance with confidence.